If you will spice it up a chicken in such a way which I am going to show you today, trust me, your chicken will be talked about in the whole neighborhood. Here I have taken around 750 grams of chicken. Put few gashes into this. So in this deep cut, the marination will goes right straight in. The very first step is to add 1 lemon juice and salt as per taste and leave this chicken for a few minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes. Don't miss this step because this gives a nice tangy flavor to the chicken. Now in a one bowl, add 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic chili paste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 3 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon amchur powder, 1 teaspoon black salt. Crush and add little bit of fenugreek leaves. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Whenever you marinate, you should always add oil to it because it reduces the harmful effect of the acid present in these spices and also dissolve the spices well. And as soon as it enters the chicken, the oil envelops it. So always add oil while marinating. Color is optional, you could skip it. Then rub all this masala to these pieces of chicken. Make sure it's nicely rubbed in. Leave it and marinate this at least for 30 minutes. Then add butter in a vessel. Let it melt. Then add chicken to this. Stir it gently with the spatula. Then cover the lid and cook it on a low to medium flame. You would notice that chicken will start releasing the water. The chicken has been cooking for a minute and a half on the first side. Now give a flip to it and cook the other side of it. When you would see oil on the top of it, it means the masala is nicely cooked. And if both masala and chicken cooked, then open the lid and put the gas flame on a high heat and dry the masala. You could dry it completely, but I am keeping this little bit of thick masala because this masala is really very good in taste. You can drizzle this on tandoori and have. So I am keeping it. When masala will dried up, use the grill pan and keep this chicken on it. Put a gas flame on low to medium heat and grill this chicken from both the side. Try to use this type of grill pan. Just put the chicken on it, lock the pan and easily you can use this without any hurdles. In between, grease the chicken with butter or oil. When it's nicely get grilled from both the sides, then enjoy it with the lemon and pudina chutney. Or you could drizzle this chicken with the leftover masala. It's really amazing. Do try it and comment below.